Italy is located in southern Europe and comprises the long, boot-shaped Italian Peninsula, the southern side of Alps, the large plain of the Po Valley and some islands including Sicily and Sardinia. Corsica, although belonging to the Italian geographical region, has been a part of France since 1769. Its total area is 301,340 kilometers (2), of which 294,140 kilometers (2) is land and 7,200 kilometers (2) is water. It lies between latitudes 35° and 48° N, and longitudes 6° and 19° E. Italy borders with Switzerland, France, Austria and Slovenia. San Marino and Vatican City are enclaves. Including islands, Italy has a coastline of 7,600 kilometers on the Adriatic Sea, Ionian Sea, Tyrrhenian Sea, Ligurian Sea, Sea of Sardinia and Strait of Sicily. Mountains and plains. Almost 40% of the Italian territory is mountainous, with the Alps as the northern boundary and the Apennine Mountains forming the backbone of the peninsula and extending for 1,350 kilometers. In between the two lies a large plain in the valley of the Po, the largest river in Italy, which flows 652 kilometers eastward from the Cottian Alps to the Adriatic. The Po Valley is the largest plain in Italy, with 46,000 kilometers (2), and it represents over 70% of the total plain area in the country. The Alpine mountain range is linked with the Apennines with the Col di Cadabona pass in the Ligurian Alps. Worldwide known mountains in Italy are Matterhorn, Monte Rosa, Gran Paradiso in the West Alps, and Bernina, Stelvio and Dolomites along the eastern side of the Alps. The highest peak in Italy is Mont Blanc, at 4,810 meters above sea level. Volcanoes. Many elements of the Italian territory are of volcanic origin. Most of the small islands and archipelagos in the south, like Capria, Ponza, Ia, Rioli, Ustica and Pantelleria are volcanic islands. There are also active volcanoes, Etna, in Sicily, the largest active volcano in Europe. Bolzano, Stromboli, and Vesuvius, near Naples, the only active volcano on mainland Europe. Rivers and seas. Most of Italy's rivers drain either into the Adriatic Sea or into the Tyrrhenian, though the waters from some border municipalities drain into the Black Sea through the basin of the Drava, a tributary of the Danube, and the waters from the Lago di Lei in Lombardy drain into the North Sea through the basin of the Rhine. Maritime claims. Territorial sea, 12 mi, continental shelf, 200-meter depth or to the depth of exploitation. Lakes. In the north of the country are a number of subalpine moraine-dammed lakes, the largest of which is Garda. Other well-known of these subalpine lakes are Lake Maggiore, whose most northerly section is part of Switzerland, Como, Orta, Lugano, Iseo, Idro. Other notable lakes in the Italian peninsula are Trasimeno, Bolsena, Bracciano, Vico, Burano and Lesina in Gargano and Omadeo in Sardinia. Islands. Italy includes several islands. The largest are Sicily 25,708 kilometers (2) and Sardinia 24,090 kilometers (2). The third largest island is Elba, the largest island of the Tuscan archipelago. Latitude and longitude. Northernmost point to Euro-tested Gemella Occidentale Westliches Zwillingska paragraph PFL, Pretau, South Tyrol at 47°5 €2 N 12° 11 €2 E, southernmost point to Euro Punta Pespada, Lampedusa, Sicily at 35°29 €2 N 12° 36 €2 E. Capo Spartivento, Palaisi, Calabria at 37°55 €2 N 15° 59 €2 E, westernmost point to Euro Rocca Bernarda, Bardonicia, Piedmont at 45°6 €2 N 6° 37 €2 E, easternmost point to Euro Capo d'Otranto, Otranto, Apulia at 40°6 €2 N 18° 31 €2 E. Elevation. Highest, Mont Blanc, Cormea at 45°50 €2 N 6° 51 €2 E. Lowest, La Containe, Giolanda di Savoia at 44 degree 53 a euro squared n 11 degree 59 a euro squared e. Highest settlement, Tripoli, Livigno at 46 degree 32 a euro squared n 10 degree 11 a euro squared e. Land use. Artificial, 4.9%, agricultural, 52.2%, arable land, 27.9%, permanent, 7.1%, other, 17.2%. Wood, 41.4%, wetlands, 0.4%, water, 1.1%. Irrigated land equals 39,510 kilometers 2. Total renewable water resources equals 191.3 kilometers 3. Freshwater withdrawal equals total 45.41 kilometers 3 per year, per capita 789.8 m3 per year. Gallery. See also, Climate of Italy, List of islands of Italy. Notes. References.